Certainly feels humid out on the weather deck. We've seen a few clouds today and some sunshine. And those storms we talked about to the northeast of Grand Rapids developing, yeah, they're there. Is there any more meaningful rain on the way? Well, right now, 13 weather ball is just green. No change to the warmer and a little bit more humid weather pattern foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Skies today, maybe a little more hazy. We're going to see a little bit of haze from time to time, and that humidity is going to stick around from time to time, but all the way around, a very seasonable mid-August day. Temperature 81 right now in Grand Rapids with an onshore breeze. Here a little bit cooler. Northeast of Grand Rapids, it has been just as warm here as it has been in Grand Rapids. We're up about 3 to as much as 6 degrees compared to yesterday at this time. As we talked about, there were going to be a couple of showers and storms developing up here in the northeastern part of our viewing area. Generally around the lake view area, you're going to get a rumble of thunder if you haven't already. Already passed through the Big Rapids area, but those are going to dissipate with the sun setting this afternoon. And you saw coming over Lake Michigan some showers and an isolated thunderstorms. Those developed over here in Wisconsin. Still being driven by the warm Lake Michigan waters, but even those are going to be dissipating here as we get closer to sundown. A little wave of energy coming through, just enough to lift the atmosphere to get those showers going. And you can see they're few and far between. They'll develop more over toward the Flint area this evening, but when the sun goes down, we actually might see a little bit of light haze or fog early on tomorrow, but back to some sunshine in the afternoon. Next round of rain is going to stay to our south and to our north. That's on Wednesday, but trailing edge of that might bring us a very early morning shower on Thursday. After that, skies clear on out, and we'll see our humidity go up a little bit in the morning and then come down, and then we'll see it really go up as we get into the weekend. Dew points will climb again on Saturday and Sunday, but our best chance for rain is going to come Friday night and end Saturday morning. That's because of warm fronts going through. That's why we're going to get a little bit more humid on the south side of that. Temperatures will get closer to average as we get into the middle part of the month. Average highs are right around 81. A little higher chance that we'll see more precipitation, though, during that 5-day period. Out on Lake Michigan this evening, other than a chance, very small chance of a shower reaching the shoreline, skies are going to become clear. Waves will be right around 1 foot or so with the onshore breeze. So after a chance of an evening shower along the lakeshore, skies will be clear, around 60 in northern sections of the lakeshore, low and mid 60s further south. Northern viewing area, all these showers will be gone in the next hour, and then you'll settle down into the mid and upper 50s, not quite as humid here. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows in the upper 50s to near 60s as skies become clear. 13 on your side forecast. Humid in the morning tomorrow, and then it goes away. Humid again tomorrow night through Thursday morning, and then it goes away with that chance of a shower. Best chance of showers and thunderstorms will come Friday afternoon and Friday night, and they'll just end overnight. So we have sunny and humid conditions Saturday, warming to 83 on Sunday. Next week, haven't changed the forecast. Still have a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm next Monday and Wednesday with those seasonable temperatures.
But at least the weekend is looking good right now anyway,
So
George.
far, so good.
Thank you.
Very comfortable mid-summer weather has moved back into West Michigan after that Sunday cool down. We're back up into the 80s today, and we're going to kind of hang out with that humidity from time to time through the weekend. And that's the reason why the 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Around the area, it's a nice evening going on. Gonna walk the dog. This is a great shot of Bristol there, and Tim, Pamela, I'm going to give you the green paw this evening, as it will be very comfortable. A little bit of a breeze out here. Temperatures will drop into the 70s this evening, and we'll start the day in the 60s. Very nice start to the day as well. Almost as much sunshine to create green energy from the sun here tomorrow. Breezes won't be quite as strong as they were today. 1.8 out of a 10-point scale, but enough to create some green energy. A little bit of energy in the atmosphere, as we talked about yesterday. Got some showers and isolated thunderstorms that have popped up there in Newaygo and Mecosta counties. They're transversing northern Montcalm County right now. These are not severe storms, but they are putting down quite a downpour there in northeastern Montcalm County, just east of Edmore. All part of a little system that's coming on through, just a little wave of energy that's coming through, and that will pass, and then these showers will dissipate. Even the ones that developed in Wisconsin are falling apart as they cross Lake Michigan. weekend. And there are those showers right now. They might get a little bit stronger over toward the Flint area, but as the sun goes down, all of this will dissipate. We might see a little bit of light haze or fog in the air tomorrow morning, but that'll burn off and we'll see lots of sunshine again later today. Later on tomorrow, I should say. There's a cold front coming down from the north that might be enough to trigger a very isolated shower very late Wednesday night or Thursday morning, but sun comes back out. Humidity level goes down a little bit on Thursday. Our best bet for rain is still slated for late Friday afternoon through Friday night. Right now, the weekend is looking dry and warm. Temperatures from the August 16th through 22nd period, this is right after our 10-day outlook. We have higher chances for warmer temperatures returning with that cool air pooling off to the north and west of us. And it looks like the favored storm track will be back to our west and in the northeastern U.S. So we have an equal chance of seeing more or less than our usual 0.8 of an inch of rain. Water temperatures today have been taking a hit in a few spots. Mid-60s here around Duck Lake, Muskegon, and Hoffmaster State Park. Also down on the south end of the lake. Some of the buoys showing some cooler temperatures, but generally not bad for this time of year. Skies are going to become clear if they're not already so at the lakeshore. Around 60 in Hart and Ludington, low and mid-60s Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern part of our viewing area, mid and upper 50s. Winds will be light out of the west here early this evening. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows upper 50s to near 60s. Should be just delightful. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity goes down a little bit tomorrow afternoon, comes up tomorrow night, goes down a little bit on Thursday as that cold front comes through with a chance of a morning shower Thursday. Best chance will come on Friday afternoon and Friday night, quickly moves to the east. And then sunshine, a little more humid for the weekend through next Monday when we have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. And I guess next Wednesday night, all the way around, some very nice, pleasant, tolerable summer weather for the next 10 days.
Tolerable, operative word there.
Relatively quiet weather pattern has settled in since that rain fest on Sunday. Temperatures have warmed up to where they should be finally for this time of year. Is that going to change? Well, the 13 weather ball is green. No change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today climbed above 80. 82 here in Grand Rapids is our average high for this time of year. Around 80 at the lakeshore, Muskegon and Holland. We forecast 83 today. Ooh, we're back on track today within 1 degree of that forecast high. We've had a few clouds this afternoon. A couple of them turned into a couple of brief showers and thunderstorms over the northeast counties as we thought that might happen. A little trough of low pressure coming through. We got little waves coming through the upper level flow. Occasionally we'll get a pop-up shower and then they'll calm down. Be a chance for a better shower later in the morning on Thursday as that cold front comes through. And that's going to be even very, very marginal. You can see the showers and storms as they moved across portions of northern Montcalm County. They're now exiting the Vestaburg area and also another shower coming into Lakeview. But these will all die down in the next couple of hours. If you needed rain, you were very lucky to get some here today. As far as our models go, we got those showers showing up in through here. They're going to blossom for the next hour or two over toward Flint before they exit the state. And then we'll end up with maybe a little bit of light fog in the morning, maybe a couple of low clouds, but as the day goes on, another bright and sunny day. You saw maybe a pop-up shower around Battle Creek. Chances of rain are not zero tomorrow, but everyone, if not everyone, will see generally a quiet weather pattern. Now, as that front comes down from the north on Thursday morning, there's a very small chance of a brief shower, but other than that, the sun comes out on Thursday. We'll pin our hopes for any meaningful rain coming our way Friday afternoon and Friday night. Dew points are going to start to climb after a warm front goes through on Friday night. We're going to be jumping into the low 60s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Heading out to the lake here tomorrow, no worries. Clear skies to start our day, but the winds are going to start to pick up and waves will start to pick up around 2 footers, especially from Grand Haven off to the north. So lots of sunshine expected here during the day tomorrow. Along the lakeshore, we'll see temperatures in the low and maybe even mid 80s there in the Muskegon area. After a few morning clouds, some afternoon sun, highs in the mid 80s here, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, maybe a couple of degrees warmer tomorrow, up to around 84. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity goes up a little bit tonight, down in the morning. Up in the tomorrow night into the morning as that front comes through. Best chance for rain again Friday afternoon and Friday night. Shuts right off. 80s over the weekend. Next week, a chance of some showers and storms Monday and the following Wednesday night.